So today I'm here with Geniuswigs once more. You know, Geniuswigs is an OG company that I've been working with. So it's the same packaging as usual. It says be creative and stylish. Once I open the box, I see the wig here. What else I got? I got a headscarf, wig cap, a pair of wig caps, edge brush and comb, and lastly I got extra elastic band. This is the wig that we're working with today, guys. This is another gorgeous crystal lace front wig, and what makes this wig so special today is that it has kinky baby hairs. I've showed you guys this kind of new look before, because this is definitely like a new trendy look, which is embracing more of that like natural side. If you're like a type 4 girl, you know, and you want to embrace that natural look even with your protective wig styling or whatever. So yeah, so this is a crystal lace front wig. It's a 13 by 6. So in the middle portion here, it has a depth of a 13 by 6 size. It gets a little it's not as deep. All right, this is a yaki textured wig. It's straight and it's 18 inches long, and it's 200% in density, so it's pretty full. It's like very full. It feels very healthy, you know, that classic yaki texture. That is exactly how it feels. So I am pleased with that. You know, Genius always comes through with really good quality wigs, so I cannot complain. So that's how the hairline look. You see, inside of the cap has a total of 4 combs. It has extra adjustable straps inside, and it has an extra elastic band inside and adjustable straps in the back. So you could just go ahead and, like, you know, can go ahead and tighten that to where you want it to be. Sometimes I'll crisscross it in the back. Today I want to install this with a little bit of glue, so let's get to installation. I'm just gonna cut off the excess lace that's, you know, in my eye. I have to cut off the excess lace from the sides. And because the extra, I actually went ahead and I used the extra elastic band that is inside. It's very snugged, so you know the security is really good on it. It's not shifting all over the place. So I'm just gonna do like a light layer of glue for today's installation, and always ensure that you're not applying glue on your natural edges. I don't do that. Like, it's not my vibe. So always apply the glue right in front of it. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. The glue, and I'm only doing 1 layer. I'm not doing a lot at all because, yeah, I don't want to do, like, it's not gonna be like a super long install. Going with my Erica J Hold Me Down glue. glue, and I'm gonna just take the end of my comb to just press that in and make it super like laid. And of course I'll take my blow dryer to further like speed up the drying process. So I'm gonna do the next side and then I'll come back. What the hell? What was that? What was that? So this is how we're looking. Okay. So now you know the drill. Put my elastic band around the hairline. Just gonna go ahead and remove the extra lace. It's looking good. It is looking good. Look at that. Nobody now gonna even think that you're wearing a wig, you know, like with edges looking like this natural. And that's glued to perfection. Like, you see how nicely melted that is? It's so good. It looks so good. So we go with that. So let's go ahead and remove the rest of the extra lace. Ooh, yes, that looks super good. Super good. Super good. Super lace. I'm going to tie my elastic band around the edges to further, you know, melt it down. And I'm just gonna do a very nice kind of like messy half up half down. So this is gonna be a pretty, you know, like chill kind of natural style. I'm just giving you guys options here of how you could, like, you know, style the hair with just embracing the whole natural vibe. And I'm getting minimal shedding just so you guys know. It's looking no sideburns, no nothing, just kinky baby hairs. Okay, let me know what you guys think down below. I know it's not the first time I'm showing you this, but I'm just giving you variety and options to choose from. And as I said, this is a very trendy natural wig look that's been going on since recently. So yeah, this is just a nice, you know, half up half down kind of vibe going on. The hair looks so realistic. It feels good. You know, it's not weighty, even though it's 200% in density. It's not like heavy on your head, so that's a good thing. So shout out to Geniuswigs, because they're always genius with their constructions. You know, it's always really nicely done. But yeah, so that's how we're looking, guys. That's it for today's wig look, and I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. You know, I'm just gonna be up on myself. I hope you found this informative, and I'll be sure to drop any discount code I might have down below in my description box, as well as the specifications. So go ahead, check that out, and the direct link will be there as well for this wig if you're interested in shopping it for yourself. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to go ahead and stay tuned for my other videos and check out my vlog channel. Yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.